Hello, my people. Eh? Make I dance first, man. Kakabo? Eh? Kakabo? Kakabo? Breaking news, so breaking news. Breaking news, make una share. Blessing an amigo girlfriend. Now she sees for the past 6 months, she see they go Ashewo road. She see they go Ashewo walk. Now make an amigo won't kill himself. Breaking news, my people. Make una share this video. God don't disgrace an amigo and blessing. Blessing, and remember that blessing where they tell you when an amigo come shop oil money, collect money from the father where he promise they say they carry blessing, they go America. He shop blessing money now, all the property where blessing get money and everything. Blessing spend that for an amigo since 6 months now. Now blessing sister just they come here, so they come from work this afternoon. Now they tell me say, make I see your blessing won't kill the brothers for house that they fight because they say they don't fit. Since the sister that get away there for more dinner. All of them they fear and body pain, the father and mother that they fear say, blessing, when they buy shower, blessing start to the do a shower. Now make an amigo they gather all nonsense about my enemy. Because they just say, I take out the thing, say, Ashewo must stop. We all, not be we talk and now our parents talk and say, Ashewo must stop. If they like it or not, tell them, amigo like it or not, blessing must stop Ashewo. When I go hear from that sister now, then this evening, I go reply Mama Ernest. Mama Ernest, I received your message. So this evening, you go hear from your sisters too. I talk that day. On top they say, now family matter, when I go settle about I say, but I'm not going to put on with this one now. This evening, I will respond to you, Mama Ernest, and I will give you more updates about Baby Precious. Okay? More sing this, take this attendance for them. Return to sender. Eh? Kakabo? Eh? Ashewo must stop for Kakabo. Amati. Eh? Eh? Kakabo? Eh? Oh. Baba. Eh. Kakabo. Thanks for the love. Ashewo must stop whether they like it or not. She will test us. Leave a blessing alone. Make she not make Ashewo again. If Papa and Mama they won't die because of what they put to Ashewo for Europe. You hear so? For putting it to Ashewo. Kakabo? Eh? Kakabo? Eh? Kakaba. Jesus Christ have already died or the death I will die, or my family will die. Jesus Christ died for us, died for me, my family, and he rose on the third day. So I have the confidence in God. After God, I have the trust that is the one that sent me this message. Then after him, our palace, our king, they bring out Osusumaye on the 9th of March 2018 that stopped to human trafficking and stopped to Ashewo. So I stand with our king, and I continue voicing it out no matter anything, no matter the threat. Who should you do now? What can they come and they say they call this? I pastor Osusumaye when they can't come. No! Osusumaye is the king of all causes for that Benin now. Abi? So now if you're not fear Osusumaye, na cause make they fear the one that they take on a mat the cause. Please now. Please. Una not fear Osusumaye, una not take her see for the past 700 years. Now the one that can't take my cause now I call the fear. I beg you. Except it's not God that sent me this message. So what happened? Now this evening I said I go reply Mama Ernest. And I go still do this evening and update I reply Molawale brother. Then update about Baby Precious. Kakabo, nobody can stop us. So I just come from work this afternoon. I see message from my message boss. Me with this person will not be friend. As I don't listen to this message, no one listen. I'll call her and I'm going to listen to her because I don't want to spend so much time here. So that later in the evening, I'll update. You want to listen?
Hello, come on me. Lamoku. Come on me. It's a trying to call you. You are begging witness. No. Come on me. Mommy, when you learn war, you have reported cases so in my way. Zavega no behe. Era no migo vima. So tell me nehere no ye blessing you found the bera via mune. I will a bay as swamp bow in where an amigo don't have the honor or don't marry home. On my bag, I want a bay as swamp bonny. And I want who a family of them very visual.
Okay.
Then I hear the social media when the mommy power go nowhere.
Okay.
The one who put an area for him, I quality. Naya quality, a bill, Naya quality winner. Mommy love will I receive a message. My mommy love that. See, make a nice explain better to where mommy love. Because I want 1 minute.
Una yes, so. When I just say, and no me go over that don't know. A blessing, ambassador, bless you of no me go see the God road. You see they make a share when I make no me go won't die. So look no me go no me son. And me tell Texas. So you see the same blessing they go share. Hey, make a call the sister back on a year. I said them I don't go hear this one. That's why you put us a breaking news. So that later in the evening I go respond to Mama Ernest. No, I don't feel no. Wanna listen. This is when I go know this blessing sister. Now the one we go meet Epadimofi last 2 years. Regardez, make una listen. Blessing, stop Ashewo. Ashewo not be walking, please. Your family, your father, your mother, they are crying that they fear. Say Osusumaye go soon visit to see the make Ashewo. Una dey yes so. Me una regardez. Me I call her sister. Hey, amigo. Era no son. She wa nuna gbokedo ade. Say the one. Hello, my beautiful sister. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please introduce yourself. I know so many of social media people they don't know you. Please introduce yourself to the world. May they hear what you tell and amigo they do blessing.
Now good evening, my people. Now me, if we call blessing senior sister. So I beg my people. I can't tell now because last 2 years when I go at the Murphy place, I supposed to carry this matter to at the Murphy again, but when they not come to say I go bribe the man. Now make me so I want call now make I call sister Gladys. So blessing, don't go start road work again. The papa not send them, mama not send them. The worst part now she with her also my senior sister. Now two of them now they do the thing. I know so many people go say, oh stupid woman, can't carry a family come out. When you use a parable where boy no fear. We don't tell where with the battle this thing for inside hands. We no fit. Even now my mama they sick, my papa they sick. I too much love them if they not love their parents. My father don't talk so parts. The senior one say, patience, you were supposed to see the encourage or blessing. Now you now see they do the worst. After now they go say now see where you do, now they worry now. Another job not there, go start fabrica. At least things where your boss live for you. You see they manage that one. Oh, not the company. See they manage that one. She not 1 year. She still continue to go to road work. Make it come say not be papa, not be mama. Now he say now. Blessing now don't start road work.
I beg, my sister, I beg. That Ambassador Blessing of PFM. Now you know be the talk so.
Yes.
Ambassador Blessing of PFM. Now they go actually work. So after how many years? Story. We got that.
Papa don't say now. If mama don't send out my people. Now where the job? Me when that time say, hey, papa they send out road work. If papa don't send out, mama don't send out. Nobody send them now. The worst thing now, she with the elder sister. And I see not my senior sister. Two of them now, they call the one for Bologna for Vialigosa. Afternoon walk. January year, and then my sister come back from Nigeria. He go carry boy put for Nigeria. Not beside the Jonas Sam, not the Jonas Sam, but the thing is shame. Me myself, I know they see where carry her go. Before you do something, before you talk something, I know they shame. Go soon and life for road work. Even my boyfriend, they laugh me every time. I don't try and talk to her, no way. Then my junior brother now, he won't put them for prison. He won't go live for them. I said they be cuties.
Okay.
All those one don't talk to her. He said, all those one they help her, they all picky.
Okay.
Then the last one says, sister, wow. You know, go feel they help you, they all picky me, they go road work. Go find fabrica work. Now she start to fight that one. Now they say she don't fight. Oh, she by call ambulance say all those one they.
That is, my sister. That one just happen now for this afternoon. Now, be not this afternoon happen.
Yes,
okay.
She just the senior one not the hospital. Now say she don't go die. She go finish and she go continue. Now make me the road. They call you sister.
I beg.
Casino problem where Ranomigo cause for our family. Ranomigo they call you the head. They carry a more. Now Ranomigo causes calamity. Let's see they work now, see they carry money they give her. She don't go back to road work now.
You don't mean
go carry my father, come and say family of blessing. They sell them blessing, they do prostitution. My papa don't know one, my mama don't know one. Blessing now, in the Vialigosa, for Via Laguna Blue. She did there now, all the money where they carry. They do road work there now.
Wow. You don't mean it.
Now my people, now when they laugh that time, hey, your sister can't talk, your sister can't talk, your sister can't talk. Now when they laugh, look when they listen to me, why you laugh, whatever you say, I will know you're not set up.
I beg, and you know what? Me I tell they say me I investigate where before me I carry my message they come out. You understand me?
Yes.
So as I will give them warning, I say Blessing and your senior sister Pat. May they stop this Ashawo work because your parents they turn and say they're not send them. If they
not send them.
Princess.
They not send them.
I bet one princess where they say your sister Pat they own her money. Princess Agmos.
Make it drop. I can't make it drop. Make it give you some money.
No, this year he said I said 150. Now your sister Pat they owe me. Okay. I beg, no what me I want to ask you so. This your senior sister when they call Pat, so she married Ibo. You said that your boyfriend Abi your husband now they keep for Nigeria the last 2 years Abi?
Yes, now they keep they post painful part for inside. The boy may so rest in perfect peace now. He just died, never reach 8 months, but he's a carry black boy. Even can I go from inside now they do a shower, go they pay that one, go they give that one money,
and
do
you,
everything.
And you said the black And you say the boy na the boy wey die na his husband friend abi?
Yes, na his husband friend. Now they dead so because of that one every day go dey insult my father. When my father tell us say you know una no wan hurt me.
You don't mean it.
Which kind of be this? No matter anything, your family of the boss suppose dey tell you say her part, e don reach, you see young. You fit follow any man wey you wan marry. You dey hear me say, babe, no be the way wey you just take do am now. The boy just die, not reach 10 months, you just carry.
Go dey carry a friend.
You dey do a shower, go dey give the boy money. The boy get family, get wife.
My sister, money wey Obama give bless you, how the money come waka?
The money na with them, and me go to use our flesh finish. And me go no gree carry go America. As blessing now, no get document, share to brother sinner for there.
You don't mean it. When I'm never tell you was say one mother blessing, won't go give her to me become no.
Of the blessing, not get document, not get anything.
Ambassador,
they shame.
You don't mean it, Ambassador blessing of what did they call her? Ambassador blessing of PFM. Now you they talk so.
Now they talk blessing of Fiekbe. Also, but that be name. Now blessing, and I'm going to choose and put a basket to them. Now blessing, it's not just an apart. Me when they talk so if we go.
You don't mean it.
Make it and I'm going to go sit down. Make go come out to people for down. Say in a freedom fighter. Make go carry out before the cousin blood the fight. Say my father they said there.
Okay. You don't mean it. Wow, sorry. I want no let no ticket no go this and I know because your nyash show full for black shit. As you dey take rich, now so your nyash, so your shit. Blood of Zakaria. You don't mean it. So a blessing. I think bless many people know blessing already, but your senior sister when they call part, we never know him. The next time we will go talk about that, I go bring a picture out to the whole world.
Yes.
I go bring.
Now, so make she dey share for herself. Make patience dey share.
So now patience come tell blessing and say, make them go start to share work because they don't feel carry guests come again because our king don't point to if not guests for carry come abi.
Yes, make she go work. Come with the pay money. Make she not bring a container and say. This one where you dey handle now you dey insult you for every time now. Make you go work. All your mates will be say they know they do road work again. Come who give the house. Make you go work. They start to they beat that one. Now they say she call and blast for sell those one they beat off which na lie. Wow.
Oh, we not go better for pie. She no pay me. This princess say he be sister to which person say he be sister to this thing for. You know this princess? He said be a sister for Barry. You know him?
No, I not just know.
Okay. So my sister.
If she start fabric and my sister, she go pay. She go start to pay the money. Make she enter house. All of them they laugh for afternoon work. She
afternoon work. You don't mean it.
Afternoon work. Which kind of sense be that one? Children when we say park on that's all of them don't they husband house. All of them they okay. You will be say everyone pawn everyone ahead. What thing she wants? Make she go fabrical work. If that sister will find make it they do. You go reach her, make pack load, go Nigeria, go stay.
Now wow. Amigo, now you scatter a family like this so.
Amigo, the way they pay me since. Amigo say my family. My father not go fit send any of us and go road work up bring money for her.
After no, listen. Somebody the right time here say everybody will come Europe. The one where papa and mama no carry come, they come. Yeah, nobody they deny say no do. We are talking of the way after. Nobody go talk say especially your papa your mama carry you come. Now you talk say even the one where their master carry come they still do them. They will hear am the other day now. So you understand me? But the one where we they talk so after they don't stop. Blessing a big manage before trafficker. Even this part where since I told so there was a big trafficker. Out of the come enter us where the guy gets. Now when our kid come pull into human trafficking now, they don't think traffic guests come and then they go take their body start road again. Of which they don't say walk there Italy. Now if which school you go?
Go
you go wash plates. To wash plates for restaurant. Now make they won't keep their enemy, so not be me, oh. I mean, my sister, what you come make you come? You just say because of me. Many people don't stop. Talk, make we hear. I will give testimony now.
Yes, because of you, many people don't stop. As they use it, they narrate it. My family don't talk to parts and it's so God bless it. They know, yeah, now say, Baba, me they shame. I go call this woman, me see help me narrate it. Now, see, yes, I won't call you. They say she just faint. She wake up, make she stop. She just faint. Make she stop that road walk.
You see how these useless people, this one was Mary Iyobo. See as your man they share for social media, they fool your family. Are you stupid? I know. That's it. Go see all of them now. Now so, evil people now in.
Now evil people they be now they go see the laugh for back. Now they go see the laugh.
Where?
Evil people.
Where? Because they don't want to hear the truth. They don't want to hear the truth, but the truth must prevail.
Now the best way now just do now, Mama. Now make me call me, have me narrate her so that she faints again, she go.
Don't hear her now. Ambassador Blessing. They say and then Omiro can't give her that name. Wait till they push her, may take go. This Ambassador Blessing of a PFM. Stop a show, Blessing. Unwhere they to go. I said, Anomigo, the promise was say, when I go sell you, una land for Lagos, sell everything, give it Anomigo money, say, want to carry you go America. And Anomigo don't carry you go now. I said, Anomigo, those promises a fake promise. Eh?
Yes. That's fake, can't be. Fake. And Anomigo don't carry go anywhere.
Yes, so.
My father, now so Juju, they start out for his head, though. Now you go back to road walk now.
Yes, so my sister, now breaking news, make we leave her like this. So from now till weekend, if na yes, say tell your brother, make it, I go tell una so tell do am. If they not stop, you understand me?
Bishop come out, me they shame. I they shame.
Somebody there say,
my mouth they sharp, make mouth sharp, follow up. No, go see the love for Bolo, they see where carry high go. Upon she see money repart of Bologna, now God go punish you. That person where talk say my mouth they sharp, now God go punish you.
Okay, my sister, we see.
Okay, ma.
May we see. As she faints, they don't wake him up now. She go wake up. Yeah. Then they go look for job. And she was there's no way.
Yes, I go there, go video because as body they hurt me. If I reach, I go follow and fight. When the doctor say, "You know what the beat is in us, sister," because me they shame, and they shame.
No problem.
And they shame. If she faint, she go wake up again. If she go back there, now me go video.
Yeah. Then no, we go plan and we go plan and we go tell you no problem. They go stop her by force. We go send and go give that to Blabo with Nigeria. No problem.
Yes.
Okay now.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, you're welcome. Later. So my people, later in the evening, say no to Ashawo Kakabo. That's why the Nomigo want down of the one that say they don't drive this my house. Nothing they go feed do. I don't go enter a lie. Our king daughter must make we follow the Pierre Benin name. Him a adole near doji. Whether I like it or not. This evening, follow me so that I will give my reply to Mama Ernest and Olawale brother. Before I forget, I see some people send me video of this girl. She said maybe he send me I go call her. They don't know send me I know they carry the answer. They don't know send me I know they carry the answer person. If you are still saying that you need my attention, no they give. This girl will say that they call her Vera. But I just see as human being. Well, we're getting over this shapeless somebody. This shapeless somebody. What it happen? I don't know her before. If she don't know me not even know whether she see they do live video thing today. What it happen on the 30th? No, on the 28th of December. When I see the date there. On the 28th of December, this girl called me. But when I tell you that the girl, see Ambo. This girl called me, see Ambo. She said, what it be her name for this thing? Vera Program TV. Now see, and she be this. So when she called me on the, when I see the picture, see there. On the 28th of December, she called me. She writes me. He said, hello, ma. I do it like this. Good morning, ma. Morning, oh. May I know who am I writing with? It's me, Vera. Vera from where? Because I don't know. I don't know whether this kind of person exists. He said from Germany. I go call you tomorrow morning. That day I did for night work because during that December, with that sister Yakoliwe, during that December time, I go replace one of my colleagues. I do night for our working place. So that's when she talked to me as soon as I say I take work. So now she can't call me. You can call me. I'm at work. So now she can't call me. She said she won't report German First Lady for me. This was 28th of December 2018 last year. I said, what did happen? He said I saw the German First Lady commenters or friends fast. Now so that they cause and say, make she enter, she knows I be do hook up. I said, you they do hook up? He said, yes. That's, me, I don't even know. He said, make I go out. But I don't even know who she is. She tried to explain herself, this, that. I said, my sister, I beg, I should tell no say that German First Lady now send this commenters or these are fans come they come insult you. I say, everybody can first like people that way they insult and I don't know them. People when they fight for me from one of them. Now the people when like what they do. That's now the people when like what she do. And I don't know what happened between you and them. She said, no, this, that, and I called to call my friend the next way I reach house. That means my German First Lady will never even get too close like that even. When I call Richard, I call and say, my sister, I bet you know this girl. She said she did do live video. She did do hook up. What happened between you and her? Now German First Lady say, you don't know. What you say happen? I say, see, you say your friends, you send people coming, they call the son. Now German First Lady say, even German First Lady even do video. To go defend and say, even cost. Say, if you ever send these people to insult this, these people, I don't know, this is all of us, they do a social media, they do the live video, say, all of us don't be the same. We are not the same. And so I make a look back, how can still be this one, see. When I see person to say the cost person, they call Asamo. What are you saying? And for now, but I want to tell you, say, why did make her they call crazy yesterday for the video where she do? Because she's frustrated. Frustrated because she comes to make her follow a quarter with the German First Lady. I asked the woman, if now you send those people, the woman can't do video, she can't curse. She can't curse for herself because if she know one not to, she can't call bad curse. She can't say she don't see no one, the curse will come with the person who put the life for her body. That be so big woman, they defend herself rich. When they understand me, so my people. That's all I just said with this woman. This one. Now, German First Lady even come to me, say, make I tell her, say, he put a picture and he husband picture, I don't know what he talk about it for. When I come to her and say, look, I just want to do video, tell the followers when they don't come insult you again. I beg that video, the way you put for your work, go come out. This guy say, no, they come out. Now, so I talk to Amrisho. I don't even know whether she didn't exist or she don't exist again. When I hear the audio yesterday now, you know, every which you talk about a German First Lady. Now, frustration, she will be 2 children, 2 fathers. A single mother will say they do hook up for people. Just imagine. You will say they do hook up for people. You don't get husband. You don't get steady job. You there for I don't know house for Germany. Now you think, oh, our women don't suffer. We suffer and sharp. I'm going to take our king Puso say from 92 or 3 years time, when I don't get to a school certificate, when I don't get to a job, from then I go get husband. Then to go and meet all these people where don't get life. Same person say, is it they do hook up for people? Now because of that one, now she come and they insult her head yesterday. Just imagine 2 children, 2 fathers, single mother went there for them, they eat Azuro. Now, since they do hook up for people, then they take and insult the poor. When a poor woman, I'll call her, she's not poor, she's rich. Because the work what she do, she's doing her work frequently. But by May 9 now, be May 11, another people they do marriage. By May 11 now, next month, another people do that. If they don't do marriage for German First Lady, for her hook up, then once in a month. This one say they do hook up. Since we say don't they do your hook up, how many we don't yet say, come on, we don't get us for say give us your husband. I don't want just answer them at all. But I won't tell you, say, make una see say if people do video really insult you, you will not say they get frustration when they inside their body against you. How she go tell me say make I conjure my first lady make they insult her because of waiting? I said no, the woman explain herself. Then she even do video to tell those people say make them not fight for them again. Finish up. Now she still carry this her head come yesterday like the frustration with everybody carry I don't even hear them. But I just hook up don't suffer. Where my people? It don't really suffer. That's why I say, don't say Mama Eme saw the other day now. She don't know me. She hated audio. She insulted my enemy. So this evening I go handle her case. You understand me? I receive all the message, all the video where she do. This evening I will respond to her. That was it. But I'll see you now by 8:30 this evening. Okay, now one love keep us together. Bye.